There she is!
Oh! Here! Catch! Can't reach! She's not gonna make it!
Oh, yes, she will. StoryBots, go!
Whoa! You've got little robots in your jacket? Got it! Ready, Sam? Pull!
StoryBots!
Keep pulling!
Just a little further, and...
Whew! You saved me!
And I didn't even get my fur wet. Oh.
Come on, I know someone who's gonna be really excited to see you.
Food.
And another time, me and Coyote found a bunch of honeycomb in an old tree stump. We ate so much we nearly... Oh, there he is! Coyote! Hey, over here!
Badger, you're back! You...
Aw, he's so excited, he doesn't know what to say.
I think he's trying to tell us something. Any idea what he's saying, Kit?
Nope. What about you, Badger?
Beats me. What about you, Bear? The bear!
Badger!
Coyote!
I was so worried about you. I'm so glad you're back.
Guys, maybe you can catch up later?
Food!
Aha! Quick, over here! Uh-oh. Jump!
Food! The bear just won't stop!
I'm not sure how much longer we can keep this up.
We're back at the creek.
Quick, use the log to cross over.
And watch out for the moss.
Wait, the log and the slippery moss.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
We could lure him toward the moss, and then he'll...
We want food!
Okay, here goes. This way, Sam! Over the fallen log!
I just hope that bear doesn't follow us. Food.
Sam! Kit! Hurry!
Gotcha!
Kit!
Oh no, I can't watch!
Sorry, Mr. Bear.
But we just gave you the slip.
Food.
Here! This should tide you over.
Ha! It worked!
Yeah!
I don't think he'll be back to bother you anytime soon.
Thank you for all your help today. You two make quite a team.
Yeah, just like us.
You know, we do make a pretty good team. There might be something to this whole working together thing.
I think so too. Nice work today, partner.
You too, partner.
Aww.
That's our very first creature case closed.